Bula, and welcome to Fijisong lyrics translation. And today I'm sharing with you a song by this popular group, Cakau ni mana ke ulu na viri viri, and the song Tukuni. And the song, as you can see there, has surpassed the 1 million mark of views, so quite a popular song. And what is the song about? So, as I've said before, my Fijisong lyrics translation is for those of you who love our Fijisong, Fiji music, but you don't understand what this being sung about, so this is for you. So let's go and check out the lyrics, and this is what the song is about. Tukuni, Cakau di mana, the name of the group. In Tukuni tunandomo, when we speak about love, sera lagi tu na uto ni wikilai, we speak about hearts entwining. Yeah, very romantic, don't you think? Makana watu dende na kena marakit. Love is like precious jewels that one cherishes. Niruitale, because it's priceless. I had thought the world of this love, no mudina, giving it my whole soul. Dui manayado, yearning that one day, you won't be mine alone. Ni really sumanagona sa CV, now looking back, my Lambasa na wikilai me mudini. I remember our first meeting at Lambasa. There's a town in Fiji on one of the islands. We were together for only 3 months. Then winds of change took you away. Through the work transfer, of your parents. So the parents of the girl were transferred. So obviously then the song is being sung from the point of view of the man, of the boy, of the land. My life is now an empty shell. With you gone from my side. I tried to pluck up the courage to let you go. The telephone, thinking to call you, and take back my word of promise to you. Yes, because I realized that being apart like this will eventually weaken any bond one forges. It is better that I quit so that you may be free. Vosa you insisted that I keep to my word. Was it difficult? Because I loved you deeply. Therefore, I waited 1 long year. But alas, you played me. But alas, you played me like a fool. And ended up in the arms of another. Oh my love, how painful this loneliness. This broken spirit and pain is too heavy a burden for me to bear. I've lost sailing just like a rudderless ship. You will like also carried hither and thither on rough seas. Carried hither and thither on rough seas of my lost love. You were my first love that I desired to possess. The first love that I desired to possess. But it was not to be. Because you treated my love as of no consequence. So it's meaning-based translation, trying to get out the meaning from what they have masterfully the words that are masterfully put together and woven into the song. So we're trying to decipher the intention of the lyrics of the song. Repeat, after about 7 years, we met again in Suva City. Perhaps something must have been rekindled. Because you beseeched me to take you back. But how could I, knowing that now you belong to somebody else? All I care for now is that you'll farewell, and I bid you adieu. I bid you goodbye, my love. So there you go, the song Tukuni by the Kauniwana Ki Hulu de Viriviri, and I hope that that has solved the mystery for you. You like the song. It's very romantic, but it's also sad at the same time. If you like this, please hit the like and subscribe button, and watch out for more. Thank you very much, and be more there.